Hello student, I am Pramod sir of your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody to today's online class. Student, in my previous lecture, I have told you exercise 7.3. I have discussed all questions of exercise 7.2. So, student, in this video, we discuss the question number first of exercise 7.3. So, student, I am writing the question here. Question number first is write the fraction. Write the fraction. Write the fraction are all these fractions equivalent. Equivalent. And figure is given in part A. Here is a circle and this circle is divided into two parts. Again, in second figure, also a circle, and this circle is divided into four equal parts, student. And in third circle, there are six equal parts is divided into six equal parts. Sorry, student. In third circle is divided into six equal parts. And in fourth circle, student, circle is divided into eight equal parts. And in part B, there is a rectangle, and in this rectangle, there are 12 small circles. And in second figure, also there is a rectangle, and in this rectangle, 9 circles is given. And in third rectangle, 6 circle is given, and in fourth rectangle, there are 3 circles given, and in last rectangle, student, there are 15 small circle is given. Circle is given, and student, in part A, this circle, half part of this circle is shaded, and in this circle these two poles are shaded also, and in this circle 3 poles is shaded, and in last circle 4 poles are shaded like this. And in part B, student, 4 circle are shaded, colored 4 circle, and in second rectangle 3 circle are shaded. In third rectangle 2 circle are shaded, and in fourth rectangle 1 circle is shaded, and in last 6 circle is shaded. Student, this is the question. Now, try to understand the meaning of the question, student. First, write the fractions. Firstly, we need to write the fraction for all shaded parts in figure. पहले हमको तो सभी फिगर में जो शेडेड पार्ट है उनके लिए फ्रैक्शन राइट करना है. After this, student, question is asking me, are all these fractions equivalent? कह रहा है क्या सभी फ्रैक्शन जो है सभी फिगर के लिए, सभी शेडेड पोर्शन के लिए जो आप फ्रैक्शन राइट कर रहे हैं, all fractions are equivalent. So student, firstly we need to write the fraction. So student, you are seeing that there is a circle and this circle is divided into 2 equal parts and one part is shaded. So student, you are seeing that total number of parts is 2. So we write the 2 below the division bar, you know very well. And one part is shaded. So we need to write the fraction for the shaded part. So we write 1 above the division bar. So we get the fraction 1 by 2 and come in second circle. You are seeing that there are 4 parts, 4 equal parts of this circle. So we write 4 below the division bar, and out of 4 equal parts, student, you are seeing in the figure 2 parts are shaded. So we write 2 above the division bar, and in third figure, student, you are seeing that 3 equal parts are shaded. So we write 3 above the division bar, and total number of parts of this circle has 6. So we write 6 below the division bar, and this circle has 8 equal parts. So we write 8 below the division bar, and out of 8 equal parts 4 parts are shaded. So we write 4 above the division bar. This is the fraction for the shaded portion, for the shaded part, student. Now, student, 1 by 2 is in its simplest form. अपने simplest form में. अब आप कहेंगे सर, हाउ कैन वी रिकॉग्नाइज दैट अ फ्रैक्शन इज इन द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म? कैसे हम इसको पहचान सकते हैं कि ये फ्रैक्शन अपने सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में है? स्टूडेंट, इट्स वेरी इजी. व्हेन द HCF of numerator and denominator has 1, then that fraction is in its simplest form. It means if numerator and denominator have only one common factor, then that fraction is in its simplest form. So, student, 1 by 2 is in simplest form, but when you are seeing 2 by 4 is not in its simplest form. So, firstly, we need to make it in simplest form. Student, for making the simplest form, we have told you for finding the SCF of numerator and denominator, and by the SCF we divide the numerator and denominator, then at last we get the simplest form of the fraction. So student, when we take out the SCF of 2 and 4, we get 2. So student, we divide the numerator and denominator by 2 and we get 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is in simplest form. And as same student, we can make the simplest form of 3 by 6. 3 and 6 are coming in table of 3, you know. So we will divide 3 by 3 and 6 by 3. 3 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे और 6 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे. So we get student 3 1 जा 3 and 3 2 जा 6. As same student, we can find the simplest form of 4 by 8. We divide 4 by 8, numerator by 4 and denominator by 4. 4 1 जा 4, 4 2 जा 8. So student, you are seeing that all fractions are 1 by 2 for all circles. For all parts which is shaded in circle, fraction is 1 by 2. So student, now come to in the B part. You are seeing that there are 12 small circle, and out of 12 small circle, 4 circle are shaded. So we write the fraction for the shaded circle 4 upon 12. We write 12 below the division bar. Why? Because total number of circle are 12 and out of 12, 4 circles are shaded. And when you make the simplest form of 4 by 12, it means when you get the SCF of 4 and 12, you will get 4. So we divide the numerator and denominator by 4. Then we get the simplest form of the fraction 4 by 12. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12. 1 by 3. And for this figure, firstly we write the fraction. Total number of small circles are 9. So we write the 9 below the division bar. And out of 9 circles, 3 circles are shaded. So we write 3 above the division bar. And in this figure, you are seeing that there are 6 circles is given. And out of 6, 2 circles are shaded. So we write the fraction for the shaded circle 2 by 6. Student, here you can make this fraction in simplest form 3 by 9, that is 3 and 9 comes in table of 3. So 3 1 ja, we divide 3 by 3 and 9 by 3 also. So we get 3 1 ja 3 and 3 3 ja 9, 1 by 3. As same, we can make the simplest form of 2 by 6. The SCF of 2 and 6 are 2. So we divide the numerator by 2 and denominator by 2 also, and you get 2 1 ja 2 and 2 3 ja 6. And for this figure there are 3 circle, and out of 3 circle 1 circle is shaded, so we write the fraction 1 by 3. It is in its simplest form. ये अपने simplest form में है already, you know. And in this figure there are 15 circle given, and out of 15 circle 6 circle are shaded, so we write the fraction for this 6 upon 15. So we write, when we write it in simplest form, you can divide 6 by 3 and 15 by 3 also. Why? Because 6 and 15 are coming in the table of 3, so we can divide 6 and 15 by 3. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 5 ja 15. So student, question is asking me, write the fraction. I have written the fractions for every parts which are shaded in the figure. Are all these fractions equivalent? Are all these fractions equivalent? For the part A, for the only part A, student, all fractions are equivalent, is equal to 1 by 2, and in part B you are seeing that all fractions are not equivalent, because in last figure you are seeing that you are getting the fraction as 2 by 5, and in fourth figure still you are getting the fraction 1 by 3. So student, in part B all fractions are not equivalent, and in part A all fractions are equivalent. So student, I hope you have understood question number first. So come to the next question, student. I am writing the question here, student. Question number second, that is, write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions from each row. So student, I am trying to draw the figure here. In figure A, there is a rectangle, and this rectangle is divided into two parts, and one part is shaded, student, like this. And in second figure, there is also a rectangle, and this rectangle is divided into 6 equal parts, student, like this, and this part is shaded and these 3 parts also shaded. And in third figure, student, in third rectangle, there are 9 small square are made, and 3 square are shaded like this. And in fourth figure, student, there are many parts, 6 rectangle, sorry student, 8 rectangle are made like this. Suppose that all parts are equal here and 2 parts are shaded like this, student, and in last rectangle there are 4 equal parts, and out of 4 equal parts 3 parts are shaded like this. This is the figure number A, B, C, D and E. Now below the first figure, student, this is the figure, student, and total number of triangle you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3 is 18. 18 triangles are created in this rectangle, and out of 18, 6 triangle are shaded. 6 are shaded like this. And in second figure, student, second rectangle, this part is shaded. total number of pods 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and out of 8, 4 pods are shaded, and in this figure, student, this part is shaded, this part is shaded, this part is shaded, and this part is shaded. All these parts are shaded. And in fourth figure, student, in fourth rectangle, one, two, three, 4, 5, and 6. Now, student, this part is shaded, these two parts are shaded, and this one is shaded, this one is shaded. Suppose, student, all parts are same, or all parts are equal here, and this part is shaded, and this part is also shaded, and in last figure, last rectangle, student, there are many small triangles are created in this rectangle. Like this, and this part is shaded of the triangle, this part is also shaded, this part is shaded, and this one is shaded. Now, student, question is saying write the fractions and pair up the equivalent fractions of each row. So, student, firstly, we need to write the fraction. We need to write the fraction for each parts which is shaded in the figure. Then, in last, we can pair up of the fractions of equivalence. So, student, I'm writing here, I'm making the pair here. A for figure A, we can write the fraction for the shaded portion is 1 by 2, and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 parts are shaded out of 6. Then we can write the fraction for shaded portion 4 by 6, and when we make it in simplest form, we divide 4 and 6 by 2 because 4 and 6 are coming in the table of 2. So we get the 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. 2 by 3. C. For the figure C, we can write the fraction for the shaded portion. Total number of parts 1, 2, 3. 3 3 ja 9, and 3 part is shaded. So we can write the fraction 3 by 9. And when we write it in simplest form, we get 1 upon 3. And D, for the figure D, we write total number of parts 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10. 2 parts are shaded. So we write 2 by 10, 2 by 10, and when we write it in simplest form, we get 1 by 5. We divide 2 by 10 by the 2 because 2 and 10 are coming in the table of 2. So student, in last figure, we write fraction for the shaded portion. There are 4 parts, equal parts, and out of 4 equal parts, 3 parts are shaded. So we write the fraction for the shaded portion. Shaded part is 3 upon 4. And 3 upon 4 is in its simplest form because 3 and 4 has the common factor as 1. Now, come to the second row. For the first figure, there are, firstly we count the total number of small triangle which are making in this rectangle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 3 are 18. Total number of triangle is 18, and out of 18, 2, 2, 4 and 2, 6. 6 triangles are shaded. So we write first, for the first figure, we can write the fraction 6 upon 18. 6 upon 18. And when we write it in simplest form, we get the 1 upon 3. Why? We are dividing 6 and 18 by the 6 because 6 is coming in the table of 6 and 18 also. So we divide 6 and 18 by 6 and we get the simplest form of 6 by 18 is 1 by 3. For the second figure, student, you are seeing here, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total number of parts is 8. Out of 8 parts, 4 parts are shaded. So we write the fraction for the shaded portion, that is 4 by 8. And when we make the simplest form of 4 by 8, we get 1 by 2. You know, you can make the simplest form of 4 by 8. We divide 4 and 8 by 2 because 4 and 8 are coming in the table of 2. 4, sorry student, 4. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. And for the figure 3, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 4, 12, 4, 12, 4, 16. Total number of parts 16. And out of 16 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts are shaded. So we write the fraction 12 upon 16. 12 upon 16. 12 upon 16. And when you make the simplest form of 12 upon 16, we get 3 by 4. because 12 and 16 are coming in the table of 4. So we divide, when we divide 12 by 4 and 16 by 4, we get the 3 by 4. It is the simplest form. And for the figure number 4, student, you are saying here that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 parts, and out of 12 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 parts are shaded. So we write the fraction for the shaded portion 8 upon 12. 8 upon 12. And when we make the simplest form of 8 upon 12, we get the 2 upon 3. We are dividing 8 and 12 by 4. And we get the 2 by 3. And for the figure number 5, student, we can write the fraction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Total number of triangle is 16, and out of 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 triangles are shaded. So we write the fraction 4 upon 16, and when we make the simplest form of 4 upon 16, we get 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Now student, we can pair up here that 1, count again here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16, out of 16, 4 parts are shaded. When we get the simplest form of 4 upon 16, we get 1 by 4. Now we can pair up, student. You can pair up A to the second and B to the fourth. B को फोर्थ से आप करेंगे पेयर अप, एंड सी को 1 से करेंगे, 1 से पेयर अप करेंगे, एंड डी 1 by 5 and 3 by 4. 1 by 5 is not here. Something is wrong here, student. Okay, student. Sorry, student. This figure has drawn wrong. This figure has 8 parts only, not 10 parts. This is given in your book. I have drawn wrong here, student. This part has only 8 parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I have drawn 10 parts. That was wrong. And here, not 2 by 10, this will be 2 by 8, student, because total number of parts are 8. So we write 8 below the division bar, and 2 parts is shaded. So we write 2 above the division bar, and when we make the simplest form of 2 by 8, we get 1 by 4, student. And now you can match D to 5th. D को 5 से आप पेयर अप करेंगे, and E last 3 by 4 will be pair up third part, like this, student. So student, for all shaded portion we have written the fractions and pair up also. So student, I hope you have understood question number 2 very well. So student, in my next video we discuss from question number 3 of exercise 7.3. So thank you, student. Thank you very much.